Hey guys, Nate here with the 99 Outdoors. We're here today at Turner Falls in Davis, Oklahoma. Join us as we go hiking, investigating waterfalls, exploring caves,
you're entering,
ziplining, and much more.
Arbuckle Mountain front on.
All right, you guys, we've made it here to Turner Falls, home of the 77-foot waterfall. I have no idea what that is. I think that's a vulture? Huh. Interesting. Beware of wild hogs. This is what we like to see. That's what we like to see. There's a rope. You guys, there's a freaking rope. I didn't plan on swimming this early, but we might. And oh, wow. I actually don't know what that is. So, as I was getting ready to go on said rope swings, I looked down and I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I can literally see the rocks. Big rocks like that. So we're not jumping in this part. Alright, you guys, we are coming up on one of the caves here. So you guys can see. Oh my. Oh, this is amazing. Do you guys see this? These are daddy long legs, you guys. Look. Oh my gosh, look, I'm gonna catch them. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look. And in addition to the cave, I have found a trail. We are going on a hike. I have no idea where I'm going. I should probably get my phone. All right, hiking we go. Oh, there's another cave. Oh man, there's a ton in there. Wow. Sick. There's another small area. That is not supposed to be there. We will get around it. Am I going up? Okay. Here's another cave right here. All right, we are coming up on another impasse. I have two options: jump or walk the tree. Now, oh wait, what does that say? Private property. Dang. I don't think I can make that jump. I'm skeptical about this. We're gonna do it. Okay. Okay, chat. Okay, we are walking on a tree right now. Oh, this thing is... Do I have no traction? My shoes are wet. And let's see. Private property. No enter. Okay. Tick check. We got him. Almost busted ass, y'all. I mean, just look at that. And then look at this. Oh, waterfall right next to me. And I just get the What is it with y'all and littering, bro? Just throw it away. It's not that hard. Look, I'm walking. You got legs, you can walk. You made it down there. You can walk. Put your trash away. Alright, you guys, we have made it to the castle. Based on Old English architecture, the castle and his summer home. Pretty neat. Alright, we have made it to the top. Well, how about that? This thing is... They put a... Is this the outhouse? I think so. I think this is a water line. This was the outhouse. How about that? Okay. I'm assuming this was a little outdoor stove. Some carvings in it, which is interesting. I don't know what's behind there, but there's something behind there. Prickly pear, bobcats, 9 banded dillas, bald eagles, scissor-tail fly. They put so much detail into this one. I have made it to the top and I can't get out. Is that welded? Yeah. Dang. That's a long drop. Okay. Let's go ahead and get down.
This is so fucking cool. Oh my gosh. It's so cool.
Okay. We did it. Dang. It's a lot longer than you think. Alright. Building. Stone, looks like some wood was used. Huh. Wow. Dirt floors. Roof. Oh my gosh. Whew. Dude, what a view. There's the zip line up there. Big rock. Look at that, you guys. My goodness. Waterfall. Oh man. And this is what we came over here for. Holy moly. Little, I forgot the name of these on them. It's on tip of my tongue, but there they are. Beautiful. And there's a cave up there. See the waterfall in there. We're gonna go check out that cave. And then we're gonna get refreshed and we are jumping in. Traversing across the rocks. Everything. We did it. Okay. Whew. Oh, we're so good. Right. Huh. How about that? All right. We made it. What's back here? Oh, daddy long leg heaven. Whoa. What the heck is that? Do we go? Okay, we're going. We're doing it. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at this place. There's like a little window here. What's out there? Oh, the waterfall. Yo, this is awesome. So I guess this is one entrance right there where you crawl in. And then there's the entrance up there where you get down. What the heck? This is so cool. It's like a damn hobbit escaping this cave. So you guys can see there's the cave right there. That's the other entrance. Now, one thing about Turner Falls that I actually like is they didn't even think about short people when making these steps. These are the tallest steps I've ever walked in my life. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Here we go. We made it. Alright, you guys, we've been swimming around. We went on the slide. Now it's time for the diving board. Okay, so we were unable to go swimming at the waterfall today. It was so packed, and I'm so sorry I didn't include it. We're here. One. Alright. I think I got it. I think I can do it. Oh, my heart's beating. You guys probably hear it through the camera.
Once you get back there to the right, the waterfall straight down will be the path.
Okay.
And then the worst parts are going to be once you get stuck pull back there, it kind of jerks you back.
Okay. Alright. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, there goes my hat. Dang, y'all. What the heck? I said some very not Christian things that ride.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe and check out my channel where I've got a lot more videos like this one. Peace.